Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Welcome everyone to Terra Talks, brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
I am Anvi, live from Zurich, Switzerland. Today we have our special guests with us, which are...
Hello everyone, my name is Nandish.
Hello everyone, I'm Gurbani.
Hello everyone, I'm Kashfi.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Today we'll be talking about a very beautiful topic, which is what Switzerland teaches us. It could be the places, some learnings, and many more. So let's begin. Where have you been till now, and why and what do you like?
Personally, I've been to Mount Atlas and it was a really fun experience. Like, it's so cold, it's -2 degrees, but it's definitely worth it.
In total, I have visited 3 places, one being Mount Atlas, the second being Lucerne, and the third being the FIFA Museum here in Zurich. My favorite highlight was when we went to this lake in Mount Atlas. It was truly the most scenic and beautiful area, and that was, I think, the first time I enjoyed nature that much.
And for me, my favorite experience was when we visited the lake Rin. It was a very enriching experience as there were many beautiful sights such as the waterfall, and of course it was very beautiful how they combined cultural and industrialization diversity with scene. I loved all these places, but my most favorite one was Mount Atlas. It was a very beautiful one because I felt I was standing with the clouds and it was very fun. It was a little cold but absolutely fantastic and I loved it. Okay, what is the first thing you noticed about Switzerland which you liked?
It was a scenic views. To be honest, I was not expecting such crazy views to be there when I entered the country.
Okay, so personally for me, the point that differentiates Switzerland to all those countries out there was how well they have preserved their nature, or how well they have managed some of their key locations.
For me, I believe that a country's warmth is defined by their people. And with my experience here in Switzerland, I observed that the people were very kind, very nice. I felt like I was in home in Switzerland. Oh my god, you guys are quite the observers. If you talk about the scenic views, what beauty is there, the ocean, the mountains, the valleys, oh my god. Now we come on the next question, which is if you can implement anything from Switzerland in India, what would it be?
I feel like we should appreciate their sustainable development. Like, Switzerland people take care of their future generations as well as ensuring that their present needs are preserved. That is what really commendable about Switzerland.
Every country should implement the strategies that Switzerland is taking for preserving its scenic beauty for the future generations, because it is truly something that I think every person deserves to see.
You know what is really nice about Switzerland? The way they give back to their people. If you look at the hospitality, even the medical sector, it's the best in the world. There is a reason why WHO headquarters is in Switzerland, Geneva.
From punctual trains to clean streets, it reminds us that respecting time is respecting others. Through neutrality and diplomacy, it proves that listening is stronger than shouting.
Switzerland doesn't preach, it practices, and in doing so, it teaches us to build lives and nations rooted in care, calm, and quiet strength.
Guys, I didn't know you guys were such creative people, but what beautiful answers. Absolutely wonderful. And I really loved this podcast. I absolutely enjoyed thoroughly. And that's how we'll close our podcast. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you
so much.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.